Harvard University and Stanford University researchers studying the gut microbiome arrived at a finding that fundamentally reframes what drives weight management difficulty in adults. The composition of your gut microbiome, the specific bacterial strains present, and their relative abundances, is a stronger predictor of weight loss success than caloric intake alone. This isn't a fringe hypothesis. It's published research from two of the most credible research institutions in the world, replicated across multiple study populations with consistent findings. Here's the mechanism. Specific bacterial strains, researchers call them lean bacteria, produce short-chain fatty acids including butyrate, propionate, and acetate during fermentation of dietary fiber. These short-chain fatty acids regulate fat storage hormones including leptin and GLP-1, reduce inflammatory signaling that promotes adipogenesis, improve insulin sensitivity at the cellular level, and modulate appetite through direct effects on gut-derived hunger hormones. People with high populations of lean bacterial strains maintain healthy weight more easily even at equivalent caloric intake to people with depleted lean bacteria populations. This explains the frustrating experience of eating no more than friends or family members while struggling significantly more with weight. It's not metabolism in the traditional sense. It's microbiome composition determining your metabolic efficiency and hunger regulation. Antibiotic use, highly processed food consumption, chronic stress, and the natural shifts in gut ecology that occur with aging all deplete lean bacteria populations over time. By the time most adults are seriously trying to manage their weight, their gut microbiome may be fundamentally compromised in ways that make success significantly harder regardless of dietary discipline. LeanBiome addresses this directly with 9 clinically studied lean bacteria strains: Lactobacillus gasseri, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Lactobacillus fermentum, and 6 additional strains selected specifically for their published research on body composition outcomes rather than general gut health. Each strain was chosen because published clinical research identified it as a lean bacteria strain, meaning research on that specific strain showed effects on fat storage, energy metabolism, or body weight in human subjects. This is not a generic probiotic. It's a formula built from research backward. Greenselect Phytosome is the second major component, and the Phytosome designation is critical. Greenselect is a caffeine-free green tea extract, but standard green tea extracts have poor bioavailability because polyphenol are water-soluble and pass through the digestive system before meaningful absorption occurs. Phytosome technology binds the green tea polyphenol to phosphatidylcholine, a phospholipid, creating a lipid-compatible complex that dramatically improves intestinal absorption. Multiple clinical trials on Greenselect Phytosome specifically, not generic green tea, show meaningful effects on body weight, fat mass, and metabolic rate in overweight adults. The technology difference produces research outcomes that standard green tea supplements don't replicate. DearCap's delayed-release capsule technology ensures that the probiotic strains survive stomach acid and reach the small intestine alive. Standard capsules expose bacteria to stomach acid during digestion, pH levels that kill a significant percentage of viable cells before they reach the intestines where colonization occurs. DearCaps dissolve in the alkaline environment of the small intestine, delivering the bacterial payload where it's needed alive and functional. According to verified customer feedback, reduced hunger and improved energy appear within 2 to 3 weeks as microbiome composition shifts and short-chain fatty acid production increases. Meaningful body composition changes typically begin at 4 to 8 weeks and continue to improve through months 2 and 3 as microbiome rebalancing deepens. Users consistently report that weight loss becomes easier, not requiring white-knuckle dietary restriction but rather feeling satisfied at smaller portions and less drawn to processed foods. The most common complaint is that changes are gradual rather than dramatic. Accurate. This is microbiome restoration, not pharmaceutical intervention. The mechanism produces sustained changes rather than immediate weight loss. Second complaint, the price point compared to generic probiotics. The comparison is invalid. A generic probiotic with strains selected for general gut health is a different product from one formulated specifically around published lean bacteria research. You're not paying for ingredients. You're paying for the research backing the specific strain selection. Full strain-by-strain research citations, Greenselect Phytosome clinical trial data, complaint investigation, current pricing with guarantee, and official website in the description. Like, comment, subscribe.